You are being fooled. People show you how to hide apps on your phone using other devices, not what's in the video title. On your phone, you cannot hide apps through Xhide. But still, you can do all this very easily with inbuilt tools and even put a password on hidden apps. Subscribe and you will learn a lot. And most importantly, you won't waste your time watching those cheaters.